Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Rachel and today we're going to be doing a Sephora unboxing. Yes, you are seeing correctly, my eyes are green today, and not because I have colored contacts, but because these are actually my real eyes. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I normally wear brown contacts. Last night I came home and I'm pretty sure that I had an allergic reaction to soy, and I woke up this morning and my eye was like all swollen. In fact, it still looks pretty swollen, at least to me in the viewfinder. And yeah, I have no idea. I think it was a food related allergy, and I was like, no contacts today. I could barely see out of my eyes. So this is the real me. I have green eyes. Some say they're blue, but they're really not. They're really green. So it kind of is working with like this new hair. I did a split dye for Halloween. It's dirty right now. I will show you guys tomorrow in all of its glory. I'm actually gonna be doing a lime crime review of the entire birthday collection tomorrow. So I will do this look properly. Right now, I just wanted to, before this gets too old, kind of go over this month's Sephora unboxing together real quick. So it's gonna be short and sweet. And without further ado, October's Sephora Playbox. This is what this month's package looks like. I guess they switched from those little baggies, which were super cute and themed, to these plastic things. Maybe it's just easier for them, maybe it costs less money, but I'm cool with it. I usually get rid of those fabric bags anyway. I saved a couple of them for traveling, but I'm totally fine with these little plastic baggies. So this month's theme, oh so cute, they have your Sephora reward points, 50 beauty insider reward points, and it's pumpkin theme. That is so cute. The way I'm like looking at myself in the viewfinder, and even I find myself looking strange without my contacts in because I'm just so used to seeing myself with brown eyes. So leave me a comment below, let me know if you like my natural green eye look or if you're completely freaked out, because I'm a little freaked myself. This month, so cute, it says Scary Good Beauty. I love me a theme. And let's dip right into this month's product. So, first thing I see in here, which I'm very excited about because I've actually tried this before. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. This is a new foundation by Makeup Forever. It's in the shade Y245. I don't know if that's kind of like a medium or how they color matched me. This is a full coverage liquid foundation that controls shine and blurs imperfections. I'm a grease ball, so I was super impressed with this formula. I didn't really get greasy throughout the day. Even in my problematic areas of my T-zone, it was really good. And I would go back and get this. Just the price point, I think this was around almost $50. It was a little steep, so I just went back to my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. That's the one I'm wearing today. It's like a matte, but it's a very wearable matte. But yeah, I'm really excited about this because I really loved this foundation. It says it's an oil-free, water-resistant formula, evens out skin tones and mattifies for a no-shine finish. Plus, it lasts for hours, so you can go from the office party to the after party, no touch-ups needed. I would agree with that. Really excited. Such a great pick this month. If you guys haven't tried this, you're gonna love it. Leave me a comment below if you're loving this, because this was probably one of my favorite foundations I've tried in quite some time. Next we have here a Tarte product. This is from the Rainforest of the Sea collection, and this is their Quench Hydrating Primer. Normally I'm not into hydrating primers, but because my skin's been really dry lately, I'll try it. I guess I'm about that hydrating life these days. So it says it's a hydrating primer that refreshes skin and protects it from environmental pollutants. Fast absorbing primer softens and smooths skin with algae and marine plant extracts. Hyaluronic acid delivers moisture so skin appears visibly firmer and suppler. Give it a whirl here. It's got a little thing on the top. Great. Whoa, I did not expect that. It is not a lotion at all. It's literally just a gel. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get down with that. That doesn't seem like it's gonna do much for me, but it probably is moisturizing as they mentioned, and I'll probably just use it like underneath a BB or a CC cream on the weekend when I don't really need my makeup to last. Because I don't think this is gonna do much for me as a primer, just being honest, because my skin gets pretty oily and I think a hydrating one isn't going to do much, but I will still get use out of it. Next we have here a Soy Face Cleanser by Fresh. This is actually quite a nice deluxe size sample. I'm always really happy when brands give you an ample size, because then you can really get a good gauge on whether you'd like the product or not. Just a small little thing like this, I feel like, what can you use it once or twice? You know, it doesn't really show you how it will react with your skin over time. So really excited for this. I think I've used this in the past, I can't be sure, but it says soy far, so good. This is the Soy Face Cleanser, a gentle gel cleanser that removes dirt and makeup without drying skin. Why we're under its spell. This is cute. These are all kind of like Halloween themed. Your post-costume party go-to, this face wash tones, soothes, and softens skin for a healthy looking complexion. Amino acid rich soy proteins help visibly support natural elasticity, while cucumber extracts calm the skin. So, ooh, it smells actually really nice. I have used this before. As soon as I smelled it, I was like, yep, I think I've used this, like a sample of this before, but a really tiny, tiny sample. So I'm excited for that deluxe size sample. Next, we have the Gimme Brow, which I already have. This is the Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in 01 Light, a tinted brow gel that creates natural looking fullness and definition. This volumizing gel uses a small tapered brush to apply tiny microfibers that adhere to skin and hair for bold brows. The no fuss applicator tames brows and keeps them in place from moonrise to moonset. So I actually love this. I own the full size, and if you guys are looking for a good brow volumizer, you'll love the Gimme Brow. It's amazing. I've actually been like super into the brow products from Lime Crime lately. I've been using their new Bushy Brow and I'm really loving it, but this is what I previously was using right before that. And it really does volumize. I mean, you probably need to go in with a pencil and fill in and define if you're missing a lot, but really my brows are pretty filled in. I just use this to kind of plump them up. And I really love the spoolie at the end. I think it grabs the hairs really well. So huge fan of this. Next we have the Caudalie, I don't know how to pronounce this. I didn't really love this. I've tried this a couple of times. I will try it again. It's their Vino Perfect Radiance Serum, an oil-free radiance boosting serum that visibly evens skin tone. The lightweight brightening formula combats the appearance of dark spots with natural ingredients, plus it absorbs quickly into skin for ultimate hydration. So I've used this before. I didn't really notice, honestly, much of a difference. Apparently it's got good things in it, so I'll give it another whirl. And it feels very high-end. It's a glass bottle. That was risky of them to put this glass bottle in there. But yeah, I like it. I like the fact it's got like the little dropper. It's like a milky substance. I feel like I've used this before, and I don't know. It just felt a little weird to me on the skin. I don't like products that I can feel like on the skin. But I think I would use this after a moisturizer to kind of like seal everything in. It is a serum. But I don't know, we'll give it another whirl. And last but not least, we have a perfume. This is this month's bonus. See Yourself There. This is by the brand Replica. It's their Sailing Day scent. The sea-inspired scent begins with a splash of aquatic accord, then dives deep to reveal coriander before settling on notes of red seaweed essence. I have a feeling I'm not going to like this. I think I've tried a couple of things from this brand and it's never a hit for me, but let's try it anyway. So, see, it smells sea-ish, but it smells like a man to me. Like, this doesn't smell girly. This smells like how I want my boyfriend to smell. This would be probably like a good unisex scent, but it says the fragrance family is fresh. Top notes, aquatic accord. Middle notes, coriander. Base notes, red seaweed. So that is it for this Scary Good Beauty super cute. Like, look at the back of this. I mean, how cute is that? Never, what does it say? Last minute looks for Halloween. Never got around to pulling together that extravagant costume you were planning on. Don't worry, we've got your back with these easy 11th hour ideas. So at least you could say you tried, sort of. Oh, that's cute. They give you different ideas for Halloween costume makeup. That's kind of precious. So anyway, that is it, you guys, for this month's October box. I would say if I had to pick my faves from this month, it would definitely be the Gimme Brow, just because it's kind of tried and true. I've used it in the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet. I will definitely get use out of this. So anyway, that is it. These two faves. I would say next, I'd be pretty pumped about the Soy Face Cleanser. This is a miss for me, the cologne, but that's okay. These two, I've tried them. They're more for hydrating. Not really my cup of tea, but I will definitely get use out of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely let me know if you got anything different in your box. Comment below if you've used any of these products, what you think about them. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Thanks for stopping in, and see you guys real soon.